happening? Time to go for a little drive, guys. It's all cleaned up. Nope, still looking. Huh? Still looking. Okay. Let's go for a drive.
Hell yeah, brother.
If you take good care of your car, pretty much you take care of all the fluids and the timing belt and all that, and you push this car like every day, it'll still go, man.
Dude, your shit looks mean from the back.
It does? Yeah?
Mean.
That a good thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks mean.
Oh, my lights on? Oh, not yet.
But like the way the lights are angled down.
Yeah.
Your hood line.
Yeah.
It looks mean. And it
Sits low?
and you took off, dude.
I did like 120.
Where did it go?
Check out the ZDX, guys. ZDX. I hope it's not burning oil. Sheesh. I think they stopped making these either 2013 or 14, I forgot. Damn, we just out here like car shopping, well, window shopping, guys. Jeez. How much? Tinted windows. I like it. It looks pretty good, guys. I think it's got the panoramic sunroof. I think. Maybe not. Oh, it does. Oh, it's got a car seat in there.
Bitch, don't I look like a pharaoh? Fuck your story, tell nigga, pull up. Shit and piss on your head, nigga, clocking. Grab my check out the mail, then back in. And it woke up, say go home, and it ain't ball, but I ain't done.
He wants to go, right, though?
Mr. Cap. Ready again, bro?
Oh, line up.
Yeah.
You want to race?
She got my.
Paddle shifters are really makes it a lot easier to shift, guys. I'm not sitting here trying to find the shifter now. Are you serious? Yet again. I think I found a fix for this, guys. Let me just erase it real quick. Hey guys, so I just changed the setting on my camera. I don't know, I got it wider, really wide. Let me know if you guys like it. Also, I want to note that these paddle shielders are awesome. The extensions. One thing that's pretty bad about them though is they have their edges are pretty sharp. I mean, they won't cut you or anything, but it's just sharp. You know, it's not smooth like the original, like the OEM ones. Like the original ones, they're small, but it's not all sharp and stuff at the edge. But they won't cut you at all. It's just they're not smooth. So, but you know, you get what you pay for. They're awesome though. I love how bigger it is and the look of them. It's just they're not smooth. But hey, I don't mind it. I'm gonna have these on forever. So let's get it. Yeah, I'm telling, man. Once that exhaust comes in, guys. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a different world. That's my old car, guys. I had a 2011 MDX. Freaking well maintained. Well, got total. All right, guys. Getting kind of late, guys, but I want to show you what I'm eating. Since it's kind of late, instead of eating the buns, put some lettuce in it. This stuff is pretty good. And that's what time it is. But today's been a successful day, guys. I got their electric car running, the kids' electric car running. Happened in YouTube. My girls got a free little dune little electric car. But battery's no good, so I took it apart and took the connector, put it onto here, and I rigged it up. And this battery's still good, and because it's gonna take about 5 weeks to get a new one, plus $105. So I rigged this up, and I'm gonna hook it up when I get home, see what happens. They're gonna love it. I gotta heat these up real quick, but it should work. Both 12 volts. This works. So look, guys, we've been having to push this car around literally just because it just don't work because of the battery. Wait, Lily, don't press it. Don't press it yet. All right, wait a minute. Don't press anything. Wait. Oh, it works! Oh! Wait! Oh, there you go. Go, Lily, go. They've been literally pushing that thing around for like 3 days. I mean, I had no battery for it, and Amazon wants like $105 for it, but and then it come within like 5 weeks. But you know, whatever. I found one and rigged it up. Just want to say, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys subscribing and liking my videos, and I got more coming, guys. So hey man, y'all be safe, and thanks again.